I decided to pick myself a pair of power shoes from Bata. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of these shoes and also how much they weigh. Why would I want to buy power shoes, you would ask me? I bought these shoes for running to prove to myself that the price of the shoe does not matter in your performance in running. And the second reason is nostalgia. I'm sure when we were young, at some point of time, we have always upgraded to a power shoe. So let's get right into it and have a look at what this shoe has to offer. I bought these shoes at a physical store. The buying experience itself was a little bit underwhelming. You see, these shoes do not have a model name. Buying good branded shoes, the shoes are always known by their model names. But then I came back and searched online, and even online on their website they did not have a model name for their shoes. Their shoes are generally called blue running shoes, red running shoes, and so on and so forth. I think Power and Bata have to look into it and rebrand their shoes in a proper way. The look of the shoe itself looks pretty decent. Nothing extraordinary, pretty basic. The comfort inside the shoe, if you're looking for plushness, there isn't any. The insole is a little bit light and they call it an ortho-light insole. One thing to note is that the shoes cost me only 2,500 rupees and I bought it without a discount. Essentially, they were the most cheap shoes I could actually find. For my viewers outside India, that would be around $30 cheap. Remember, this is just an overview of this shoe and I plan to do a full review of this shoe in the near future. After doing a couple of 10k runs probably, and definitely after doing a couple of 5k runs. So subscribe if you haven't subscribed already and stay tuned for that video. Looking at the sole of the shoe, it looks grippy, but I can tell you right now that this sole is going to wear out pretty quickly. I'm guessing give it a couple of 100 kilometers. The heel itself has got a bit of cushioning. Let's see the energy return. And the flexibility of the shoe, which is not very flexible. One important thing I would like you to note, that if you have flat feet, this shoe is definitely not for you. It gives you no arch support whatsoever. You can use these though as an all-purpose trainer while they last. Do a little bit of short runs to medium runs. I wouldn't use them particularly for any long runs. Coming to the weight of the shoe, this shoe is a size 10 and it weighs 217 grams, which is pretty light for a shoe like this. As far as the breathability of the upper is concerned, there is none really. After wearing these shoes, I'm guessing that the heel to toe drop is around 10 mm. I'm just guesstimating this because there is no official word on these stats on their documentation or their official website. At first glance, the shoes feel comfortable to wear. There is good space in the toe box and the heel itself has got a decent support with a cup at the rear. However, that said, while lacing up the shoes, you will notice that the tongue and laces along with the heel cup do not provide you a great amount of stability. You will notice that the ankle is not totally stable and it still moves around a little bit in the shoe. I look forward to using these shoes in my next run. Also, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Watch these videos next. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Signing out, Dr. Rohan Fonseca.